Hello fans, you are welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to discuss with you the reason why I couldn't post video for some months now, and today's topic is very fantastic. So the reason why I couldn't post video for some months now is that I was a student and my final exams was approaching, so I'm supposed to learn very hard so that I can pass and pass well. So I'm very glad that I passed through the exam successfully, and I also thank you for your prayers and your support. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to auto redial a phone number on continuously. Like for example, the phone will automatically call a number continuously. You can decide a time that the redialing will be continuing. You can decide the duration, you can decide the interval. So what we will do is that first, before I introduce you into this tutorial, I would like to explain some features in it before you start the tutorial. So first, what we'll do is that we'll go to Play Store or Apple Store. If you are someone using Apple device now, you go to Apple Store, and if you are someone that is using Android phone, you go to Play Store. So what I'm going to do is that I'll go to Play Store now, and I'm using this my Android device to do the tutorial. So let us start a tutorial now. I'll go to Play Store over here. Go to Play Store. As you can see, it is loading. Then I will tap on the search engine over here. Then I'll write auto. Auto is over here. Auto Redial, which is over here. The auto is AUTO and Redial. So I'll tap on it. And this is the auto redial over here with a call logo with arrow pointing the air and with a violet color. So I've already downloaded mine, so I'll just tap on open over here. It is loading. Now that it has opened, you are going to accept every notification that will come at the surface of the screen immediately you on or you launch the app. So now they say allow auto redial to make and manage phone calls. You allow it over here. Now this out, it is auto redial, and we have normal call, and we have a SIM card logo over here, and we have SIM 1. This simply means that when you are having two SIM cards in your phone, you can, and you want to use the SIM 2 for the automatic redial, you just stamp on it. Then you have SIM 1, SIM 2, and you choose the SIM that you want to use for the auto redial. Now that I choose SIM 2, now you are going to paste the number over here. They say telephone number, the number in which you want your phone to be automatically redialing. So tap on it. I'll dial the number, for example 053-144-6864. Now that I finish pasting the number, what I'll do is that we have call duration. You turn it on. I think they said attention. Additional permission required. Allow the application to display over other applications. Go to settings now, then follow the steps that I'm teaching you now, then press on OK over here. It will send you to a permission center. As you can see, it is loading. Let's wait for some time for it to load so that we can accept the permission for us to continue the tutorial. Now it has come. Now you have display over other apps. You have auto Redial over here. So we are going to turn it on. I'll turn it on like this. Yes. Now that I turn it on, I will go back. Now I come back. Let's try turning on the call duration over here. It seems now that it turns on, now we have 59 minutes. It means the auto redialing will keep calling, your phone will keep calling the number you placed over here automatically for 53 minutes. You can decide to increase the minutes to 99 minutes. You can decide to decrease it to the lowest that you want. It can't be on 0 minutes, so you can decide to bring it here or here or here, or 30 minutes. It will keep on calling the number for 30 minutes. Okay, let us put it on 32 minutes. Now we have number of calls over here. The second one is number of calls. This one is the number of calls that, or the number of times that your phone will automatically call the number that you post. So you can increase it to let's say 9,999. It means your phone will automatically call the number 9,999 times. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. So this is how it is. So the third one is interval between calls. As you can see, it has already been on 4 seconds as default, so you can decide to decrease it or increase it, and decide to decrease it or increase it like this to 91 seconds or more. $300. It means when the first dialing went through, like the phone automatically called the number the first time, it will wait for 300 seconds for it to call the second times until it reach 9,999 times before it will stop. This is how it works. This is how it was. So when you are done with your settings, you just press the start over here. When you press on the start over here, then boom, everything started. You just put your phone down, doing something somewhere, and that's all. This only works. This is very, very fantastic. This will help you in a way that if someone owe you and the person don't want to pay you the money, but when you call the person don't want to pick the call, you can set it like this, and your phone will keep on worrying the person phone by automatically dialing the number. And in fact, the person will be tired of you. Yes, the person will be tired, and it will be amazing. The person will be afraid that, how come within 30 minutes I was able to have 1,000 missed calls. It's so amazing. So this really work. So I'll urge you to also try it. And if you find this video very interesting or very helpful, please subscribe to my channel to support my channel, and don't forget to share this video to your loved ones so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.